Hey y'all, it's Sequoia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going from Brillo pad to Silky and Bad. We need a paddle brush. We need a good blow dryer with a concentrator nozzle attachment, and we also need to detangle each subsection. My hair is fully detangled already, but I do like to further detangle each subsection because this will prevent breakage, and we want healthy hair. Amen. Is damp, so we also want to start off with damp hair. Now, I did use a heat protectant on my hair before I blow dried. That is not showcased here in this video because my camera was being really disrespectful when I was recording this video. But the heat protectant that I used is called Proclaim Professional Care, and it's a glossing polish. It comes in a red bottle. I got this a long time ago, so I don't even know if the bottle is still red, but either way, that is the heat protectant that I used. When you are blow drying your hair, you want to make sure that you are blow drying in the direction that you are going to be flat ironing your hair. Since the back of my hair is going to go towards the back, I am blow drying towards the back because hair holds memory. And if you don't remember anything else from this video, remember that hair holds memory. So please be sure to blow dry in the direction that you want your hair to lay. I always like to test how much body my hair has during the blow drying process because this will indicate whether or not your hair is going to have body after you flat iron it. Yes, if your hair is stiff now, it's going to be stiff after you flat iron it. Yep. So now we're at the front, blow drying away, and this is the direction that the front is going to go. So hair holds memory. Make sure you blow dry in the direction it's going to go. Other side, we're almost there. I definitely have bangs cut, so I'm going to be blow drying that towards the front. We know why. I've said it too many times already. So, saving that for last. Here we are. I did pull it up a little bit and then blow dry towards the edges because I don't want B2B edges, even though it's going to be covered up. When I straighten my hair, I like my hair to be straight, okay? Straight. You're going to need a really good flat iron, and I'm using the Ion Humidity Defying Serum. This is very good for humidity defying. It's for real. Like, if you live in a humid area, this definitely helps. This is not sponsored, and I did not get this for free, but I do use this. You do have to be careful about how much you put on your hair because it can possibly weigh your hair down, and it could also result in stiffness, and I rebuke stiffness. I rebuke it to the fullest, okay? So here we are flat ironing. I do still have the same flat irons I started out with, started my YouTube journey out with. Even before I was doing YouTube, I had these flat irons, and they're the best to me. Is why get something when this is very much working. I could definitely expand, which I have, but I've given my flat irons away to friends because they needed it, and I just never got them back. But I'm not giving these away. Nobody can borrow these. If you need to borrow them, baby, you can come to my house and you can do your own hair, but they will not be going with you. Amen. So this is just me flat ironing my hair. If any of you out there have seen my very first flat ironing video, I used to pass several times, but I've grown. Oh, how I've grown. I do a click, click, click at the roots, and then I chase with the comb, and then that's it. One time, one pass through, and look at how straight my hair already is. Like, you can already tell how much body it has by the way it falls. Ooh, that is so sexy. Oh my god, that is so sexy. Yeah, so I'm at the top of my hair, and we almost there, y'all. We like literally halfway there. Okay, y'all. Ooh, this so cute. Y'all think it's cute? Y'all let me know if y'all think it's cute or not. I think it's cute though. I'm gonna keep wearing it. I'm gonna keep on doing it. Y'all, I haven't straightened my hair since October of 2023, and that was the first time in 2 years because I was a bald-headed scallywag for real. I literally had a low cut, and this is how much it's grown in 2 years. I also have a relaxer at the end, so you see a little bit chewed off, but overall it's healthy. But I am letting my hair grow out a little at a time because I really don't want layers. I just want an even cut. So I'm letting it grow out a little bit, and the more it grows, the more I will cut it and trim it. All right, here we are at the bang and y'all see my face. It's intense because I do not like burning my forehead. I do not. And these flat irons are hot on the outside too. You got to be careful. Look at me. Yep, got myself. But I also like to flip it up and get the edges too, because I don't like beads under my bang, even though they're going to be concealed. But when I straighten my hair, I like it to be extremely straight. So that's what I was doing. And after I go through the edges, I go back down so that it lays as flat as possible. Now, when I do straighten my hair like this lately, I have not been doing a bump. In this video, you're not going to see me go back through and do a bump at the end. I find that after I wrap my hair, it gives the natural bump, and I don't need to put any extra heat on it. It's fine. I wrap my hair and leave it wrapped for a good 25-30 minutes, and baby, we good. We in there. We in there. Just like that swimwear they be talking about. But this is basically it, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do another video as well telling y'all how I actually grew my hair to this length from, yeah, because baby, I was a bald-headed scallywag. Now I got hair in the back, the front, the middle, and the sides, and I like it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and also turn on your post notifications so that you are aware whenever I post, because we already know that sometimes it's very sporadic, but sometimes it's also consistent. So turn the post notifications on, engage, leave a comment, all of that. Tell me how you straighten your hair. Tell me if you are successful when you straighten your hair. Like, just give me some feedback. But thank you for watching. Peace out.